Alright, so the homie and I are over here at SneakerCon. I almost said Dunk Exchange.
SneakerCon. Santa Clara.
Santa Clara Convention Center, and it's a 2-day event here. And you haven't been in like...
Nope, never been here before.
10 years.
10 years. 10 years been here.
Since the last
event
convention.
I came, yeah.
So we're gonna check it out. We're gonna go hit up the homie Sneaker Street guys to try and get us in, and we're gonna go see what this is all about. There's already a line, and it's
only 9:30.
It's only like 9:30 in the morning. All the kids here.
Yeah, all these little kids with their moms.
Like it just goes. Anyways, Freddie and I are smart. We decided to go park upstairs and then walk through, but...
Well, most of these kids don't even drive yet.
What did it say?
Some of these kids don't even drive yet, so, you know.
Oh yeah, we gotta get dropped off, right?
Yeah.
Alright, so we're inside SneakerCon. It's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and people are just setting up, so we're just checking it out. The basketball.
What pack you got? Literally, kids just run in, they camp out, set up back there, drop their shoes on the floor.
Yeah, it's nuts.
What's up, man?
What's going on? Hey, yo.
What's up, bro?
Say, right?
Yeah, what's up, man?
Okay, nice to meet you, man.
Came through it?
Yeah.
Phil, yeah.
Marvin.
Oh, MJ. Yeah. Okay, nice to meet you.
Yeah. All right, so you're officially on the MJO channel.
Yo, what's up, man?
So what we got here?
We got some cell phone cases from casenerd.com. Got some pet stuff. Just trying to give the people what they want.
What? 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 That's crazy.
Probably not. Hey, here you go, bro. Let me give you my card. In case you want to call me, text me, whatever.
How you doing, man?
How's it going?
Yeah, it's a dying breed, man. OGs.
I just got the metallics from the first owner in Florida. He kept them all these years, bro.
Oh, really?
Yep.
That's a good find.
The Royals that you just picked up, I got them off a high schooler. He was wearing them the week before I bought them off his feet.
For real, you just said.
And he was still wearing them, and I thought that was really dope. You know, I'm like, that's love right there for a high schooler to still wear that. I was like,
Are you at will to say how much you paid for them?
yeah, I paid $300 for it.
Not bad.
I paid no more than I paid $150 for the metallics.
Uh huh. 150. Wow.
150, yeah.
Damn. These are hard to restore because the metallic it just flakes off.
That's gone.
Yeah.
Can't do anything about
Yeah.
that. Chicago's are really good condition. The foam in the back here is still squishy.
Yeah.
Leather's still
Because usually it crunches up.
crunches up and it just dies out. That's why this one's gutted in the back.
Oh, okay, I see it.
And I think I paid. I think this is the one I paid the most for. This is $450. And yeah, $300, $450, $150. So overall, it's not bad.
Yeah, not bad.
See you, Kevin.
You guys have a table?
Yeah, we're right over there. We're
Okay.
selling kickstands. We have some Supreme stuff.
Yeah, we'll swing by in a little bit.
Appreciate it.
Thanks.
All right, Freddie. So, your experience so far? Just the preview.
That's pretty crazy, dude. There's 2 hours, almost an hour left before they open the doors, and there's a crazy amount of people in there right now.
Yeah. They're still setting up back there and just checking everything out. So I don't know if you guys see the line there, but it's so crazy, dude. I was telling
All these people are gonna fit in there?
yeah. I was telling Freddie that it's gonna be a zoo later.
Fuck that, I'll be out by then.
But I'm glad we got a preview. So yeah, we'll be back. All right, guys. So I am done with SneakerCon. Freddie and I pretty much just stayed like 3 hours. Couldn't do it anymore. I think the preview was great. There was a lot of sneakers that we went in and got a good look at in the beginning, and then just the zoo of people just started flowing in, and then the sneaker trading pit. You know how it is. Like, if you've never been to a SneakerCon, like, this is how it goes. It's just you go in, you make laps around, and you just check out to see what other people do. You haggle a price, you see what is out there, and it's crazy. Like, I think the best time to go to SneakerCon would be at the end of the shows when people are trying to unload their stuff. But we went and just to get like an early look on things. I think that was enough. Can't do it. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I'm glad that I'm able to have some type of footage for you guys, and that's about it. So if you guys like the channel, stay tuned. I'll have more content on the way, and I will talk to you guys later. Take care.